Hey, this is Brian Gambardella with MarineMax of Huntington. Today we're on a 2025 Boston Whaler 380 Realm. This boat is powered by quad 400 outboards. This boat is also equipped with a seatkeeper and a generator. We'll start here in the transom area. You got a nice fold-away seat. You can easily fit 3 adults here. Your dive ladder is stowed right underneath the seat. Your shore power is on your rear starboard side. Got a nice tackle storage or small garbage can when you're fishing. A nice reversible seat here. So if you're fishing, you can watch all your lines, or if you're just lounging, you have your 2 table receptacles here. So your lounge table will go there, fold in the transom seat, and now you've got a nice social setup. Nice fish box on your starboard side. Your freshwater rinse is here. Your raw water is on the port side. You have access to your transom, like freshwater shower. You have another fish box on the port side. This boat is really dual purpose, fishing and entertaining. It's set up that way with the full windshield in this area. It really maximizes any type of mission you wish to do on this boat. So when it comes to maintenance and access, Boston Whaler does a really great job. All your seat cocks and sea strainers are right here below, easily accessible. Your generator is aft, and your seat keeper is forward, just right here. You got rod holders on your top, on your port and starboard side with the ladder. Tractable sunshade, and 2 nice LED spreader lights. You got nice side boarding steps here. And just forward to your boarding steps, this is where your fuel fill is. Underneath the seat here, this is refrigerated. You can store ice, you can store fish, whatever you so choose. Coming to the port side, you got a nice Kenyan grill. Little storage area there. And a sink. You do have 120-volt power out here. So you have one here, so you can set up if you want to mount the TV, anything like that. You do have USB chargers throughout for cell phones. So you got an isotherm fridge here. It's quite large. You got wine bottle holders here, a little rack, and a small freezer above. Plenty of storage here. Classic Boston Whaler bucket. So your second row helm seating, you do have air conditioning below, and you sit up really nice and high. So you got a great view of the whole boat. So your reversible helm seat enhances that social factor of this boat. So now you can face each other. You got a nice table bracket here. So set up the table, drinks, socializing. This is what this boat is meant for. So with the quad 400 outboards, this boat is capable of reaching a top speed near 60 miles an hour. Right now, we're just exiting the 5-mile-an-hour zone. So let's see. So this boat is equipped with FLIR night vision and Simrad radar. You've got 3 screens with your important options on your brushed stainless buttons here and here. Right now, I have it set up as chart, engine, and fish finder. You've got side view scan, down scan, and your regular sonar. So your home screen here, you'll have your, just like an iPad, you got your apps basically. You have your jail, your Boston Whale, your engine, all your charts, your radar, etc. A lot of the options on this boat are controllable within the Boston Whaler app. So as soon as this loads, we'll get into it. There we go. So you got lighting controls, your switches, your bilge pumps, etc., things like that, air conditioning and gauges. So you can adjust all the colors in the cockpit area and the bow, blue, white, or red. You could put on a nice map light here, red light, so you have better vision at nighttime. And then you could have, your night navigation. If you leave the boat, it'll shut things off, or you can do Fiesta mode, which will put on a little light show for you when you're entertained, which is pretty cool. You do have air conditioning here at the helm. You've got 2 units, one up here and one below. They are reverse cycle. Your VHF is located above, and you've got a large storage compartment here for anything the captain needs to put in. You have a separate seatkeeper display up here, also accessible within the Simrad system. You've got a fold-away platform. Let's go down in the cabin and see what this boat has to offer. As we enter down in the cabin, you'll first on your starboard side, you'll enter your wet head. So we're down now in the cabin of the 380 realm. To port, you've got a large sink, another isotherm fridge and freezer. You've got a high-low table here that's manual. This will come down and turn into a bed. Quite a large V-berth. Your 120-volt controls are here, and your 12-volt panel is there, which is nice. You got a nice TV here. And a lot of natural light in here. As you can see, you got the skylight here and a window here. Storage all throughout on both your port and starboard side, which is nice. Another control for your jail audio. And down below, so this is your shower sump. Over time, things from the shower drain may or may not clog this up, but accessibility is key for maintenance, right? So you've got a nice filter here. If hair, anything like that gets in there, you simply pop this clear lid, take the filter out, rinse it out, put it back, and you're good to go. Let's make our way forward. So you'll notice here in the floor, a lot of people say, what is that? Why is there grooves in the floor? Well, if water comes on the bow or if it's raining, it doesn't run into the cockpit area. It'll simply hit this and drain off the boat, which is really nice. More storage here. Right now we have our covers in there for the electronics. And a lot of areas to grab onto. So if the boat is rocking and rolling, you'll feel safe and you always got something to grab onto here. Coming forward, more rod holders. Another ice box here. Some are entertaining, so store the ice and drinks up front so people don't have to walk out. You got our high-low table here. Right now we have the pad on it. This will retract and turn this area into a sunbed. Very nice large lounger with built-in cup holders on every armrest here, which is, I think, awesome. You do have your jail audio control here. And we can watch our table go down and turn into a sunbed. So now you have a large area to lounge, hang out, and enjoy your time on the boat. If you're interested in this 2025 Boston Whaler 380 Realm, contact me, Brian Gambardella, here at MarineMax Huntington, 631-424-2710.